down here in Yakima, Washington at the factory. Right here we're doing some diesel heaters, getting these ready, but we're just going to show you quickly kind of some units coming down the line. So right now we're building Yohos. We're going to kind of walk down these and have a look at them. But you can see here diesel heaters getting built, put together. This one just got the roof put on. Got some customer's unit right here. This is your bin when you pick it up. That's kind of cool. But compartment doors are going to go in. Door seals just went on. Doors going in. We'll keep walking down the line. You see a diesel heater, windows covered, protected for now. We're waiting. This one's waiting for the corner caps, awning bracket. Let's keep walking down here. You can see team's working hard on these campers, so it's good. This guy right here's got a nice awning on it. Now it's got the compartment doors on, you see. So as we go through the different steps and stages, they just keep coming along. Got the team doing some caulking. And then this is pretty cool. So we're gonna just quickly walk around this Yoho here. We haven't done much of a walk around the Yoho in a while, so let's check it out. So passenger side here, we have our compartment door. Nice new latches. Oh. Nice big storage compartment here. Got our nice windows. Those open. Screens again. What do you call it? Day-night shade, bug screen. And then on this one on the other side, the team's actually working right now, but they're installing the bed rail runners, which is a sweet option. On my own kenai, I got, you know, an extra diesel roto pack on it and some other gear, extra water stored to it, recovery gear, leveler, stuff like that. So it's super cool. And then you can see here we got our tie down, so these will hook into the anchor points in your truck. Loosen that up. You can hear the drills going off. So that's what's going to hook into your anchors in your truck box. That's your ratchet. This will be where you could run a cord to get some power inside the camper. And then you have your, obviously your propane vent over there, another input. And yeah, let's see if we can sneak through here, Kent. So tough to see here. We got nose windows on this one. And these guys here are installing bed rail fillers right now. Super cool option. And this guy's got the two roto packs on the back. 2023s have the clear window on the back. Pretty sick. And then up here you got your bracket for your awning or your doorstop, awning holder, and hanging some gear. And you can see this is the inside of the Yoho. This one's got your portable toilet, your Go Zero Yeti 1500X, your cooktop. No fridge in this one yet or cooler, but we got the windows, skylight, we've got a storage bag up there. We're not going to jump in here because we got a team working. But back on the other side of the camper, we got our QC team just going through the camper, checking it out, making sure everything's perfect, marking any spots that need to get adjusted, just making sure it's right. And then from there, they're going to start coming outside. So we'll go see all the campers outside. But before we do that, see all the units that we build. Ooh, it's cold out here. You can see where we would water test the units right here. Right now it's super cold, so this thing will be frozen if there's water running. But you can see the Scouts outside, and all these campers here are lining up and getting ready to go home to some happy owners. So thanks for checking the video, and that's Adventure Manufacturing in Washington.